Elon Musk is linked to a massive land grab next to Tesla's Gigafactory in Austin. Tesla's mission is to advance the transition to sustainable energies by producing quality cars and energy services more readily available to the general public. Welcome to TechSpot. In this video, we'll talk about the controversy regarding Elon Musk linked to a massive land grab next to Tesla's Gigafactory in Austin. What's the truth behind this? Keep watching until the end of the video and let's all find out. Before tuning in, we'd love it if you'd click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. First, let us learn a few things about Elon Musk, who happens to be one of the richest persons on the planet. Who exactly is Elon Musk? It has generated comparisons to other visionary businessmen such as Bill Gates, Henry Ford, Howard Hughes, and Steve Jobs, who have achieved extraordinary success. Musk developed a strong work ethic as a result of his difficult upbringing. He's known to put in up to 80 to 120 hours a week and to have a clear, unwavering vision for the future. Now, where are these Tesla Gigafactories and their locations? Tesla's stock is currently rising and its current market cap price is approaching $800 billion, so it's safe to say the American EV automaker is doing well. Tesla presently manufactures 4 electric automobiles at its numerous manufacturing facilities throughout the world. Tesla has 4 fully operational facilities at the moment. 3 of them are in the United States, while the 4th is in China. Let's start with the first factory and work our way forward from there, shall we? Fremont Factory. Tesla's Fremont Factory, located just outside of San Francisco, is where the company began producing electric vehicles. It presently has 5.3 million square feet of space, and it's spread across 370 acres, housing approximately 10,000 Tesla employees. Even though Tesla has expanded its plant locations worldwide, the Fremont Factory remains the flagship. Tesla manufactures the Model S, Model X, Model 3, and Model Y, and most of their components at this cutting-edge factory. While Tesla receives parts from suppliers worldwide, several have constructed local operations closer to the Tesla production. Tesla already has a global manufacturing presence, which is expanding, but these gigafactories have so far been built with more niche production goals in mind. The term billions is derived from the unit of measurement. I'm curious if Tesla had this phrase in mind when it got public. Gigafactory 1, Giga Nevada. Gigafactory 1, the first of Tesla's ever-growing number of manufacturing facilities, is built in Sparks, Nevada, just beyond the city of Reno. This Gigafactory is responsible for producing electric motors and lithium-ion packs for the Model 3 vehicle. It also produces Tesla's energy storage devices, including the Powerwall and Powerpack, which it inherited from the Fremont facility in 2015. There have also been fresh reports that Tesla would move its Tesla semi-production to Giga Nevada. It would most certainly be in addition to Tesla's future Austin TX factory's semi-manufacturing. What's funny about the 1.9 million square foot Giga Nevada location is that it's only 30% finished. Furthermore, while Tesla continues to construct additional gigafactories worldwide, this incomplete initial gigafactory has not been expanded in any way. Gigafactory 2, Giga New York. Giga New York, located near Buffalo, New York, differs from the other facilities on this list in that it mainly concentrates on solar rather than electric vehicles. The building of this gigafactory began in 2014, and it was made possible by Tesla's acquisition of Solar City, which occurred in 2016. Gigafactory 3, Giga Shanghai. In addition to being the newest gigafactory in operation, Giga Shanghai also happens to be the second factory to build actual Tesla automobiles. Tesla's Gigafactory, which is 9.3 million square feet, is presently home to the final assembly of the Model 3 and the production of the Model Y. In the autumn of 2019, Giga Shanghai commenced mass production of the Model 3, the most affordable Tesla automobile available. The facility's construction started in 2018 and was finished by the end of the year. Because of the increased demand for Tesla's Model Y electric vehicle, this Gigafactory has more than doubled in size since its construction. Tesla appears to be extending its presence in its home country of China even more aggressively. Tesla is trying to engage Chinese designers and establish a full design studio to produce Tesla's automobiles tailored exclusively for the Chinese market. Gigafactory Berlin. Tesla's Gigafactory Berlin, Brandenburg, is its first manufacturing plant in Europe and its most sophisticated, sustainable, and efficient facility to date. According to the company's projections, hundreds or even thousands of Model Y cars and billions of battery cells will be produced this year. The Gigafactory Berlin Brandenburg will be the first in Europe to produce cells and electric vehicles in-house. Tesla will equip you with everything you need to help us develop the future of sustainable energy, starting with generous benefits from day one, competitive remuneration, and on-the-job training. Elon Musk involved in a land grab controversy. Speaking of these factories, Elon Musk is personally involved with a new large land grab that happens to be adjacent to the Tesla Gigafactory in Austin. However, it's unclear whether the land grab is for the benefit of Tesla. Tesla already has more land in Austin than it does anywhere else in the world. For approximately $100 million, Ford purchased 2,000 acres of land in Austin to house its Gigafactory, Texas. The site is located just outside the municipal limits. The corporation acquired a few hundred acres more in the site's immediate vicinity for the next months. The site is intended to be large enough to house Tesla's giant automotive factory, which will produce the Model 3, Model Y, Tesla Semi, Cybertruck, and other future Tesla automobile models. It will also be home to a battery cell manufacturing facility. It's more than large enough to accommodate Tesla's new headquarters located in Texas as part of the automaker's official relocation. According to the Austin Business Journal, Horse Ranch LLC recently purchased between 300 and 620 acres of land from the Tesla property on the opposite side of the Colorado River. This location is near the Tesla property. Horse Ranch LLC purchased 620 acres from William Morris Jr. and Susan McMorris and Barbara Gill on representative of Robert Gill Jr.'s estate, according to property records filed with the Travis County Clerk's office. But it was not exactly clear how many properties had been relocated. Some of the land grabs have been confirmed by records reported with the Travis Central Appraisal District. However, only approximately 300 acres are associated with the Horse Ranch LLC. From the rising $1.1 billion Tesla Incorporation Gigafactory immediately outside of it, it remained unclear by publication time what the additional acres acquired through land purchases will be used for. It gives some notion of the scope of Elon Musk's aspiration for the area. As the world's richest person continues to establish roots in Central Texas, he has already amassed more than 2,500 acres on the other side of the river. Horse Ranch LLC is operated by Jared Birchhill, who already serves as the executive director of Elon Musk's private equity firm. Tesla CEO Elon Musk also owns Neuralink, SpaceX, and The Boring Company, all of which are growing their operations in and around Austin. Any of those businesses could use the land. Musk has stated that Tesla is planning to develop an ecological paradise at Gigafactory, Texas. It could potentially be protected. Elon Musk's land holdings in eastern Travis County look to be expanding. Tesla CEO Elon Musk recently stated that the company's headquarters would be moving from California to Austin. His other companies, tunneling startups, are expanding their operations throughout the region of Texas. So what do you think? Is Elon Musk willing to bring all of this to Texas? Let me know your thoughts and comments down below. Before the video ends, do not forget to click the like button, share the content, subscribe to our channel, and tap the notification bell for more updates and videos like this one.